Nobody taught me these 7 money rules in school. Learning them in my 30s changed everything. Transfer savings before paying bills, not after. Even $50 per month invested for 30 years equals $170,000. Automate it so willpower is never needed. Rule 2. Your car costs more than you think. Depreciation plus insurance plus gas equals true cost. Rule 3. High-yield savings beats nothing. For percent versus 0.01% on $10,000 equals $390 per year difference. Rule 4. Compound interest works for and against you. Debt is negative compounding. Rule 5. Tax-advantaged accounts first. 401k, IRA. Free money via tax savings. Rule 6. Net worth matters more than income. It's what you keep, not what you earn. Rule 7. Time and market beats timing the market. Start investing today, not someday. Open a high-yield savings account this week. Increase 401k contribution by just 1%. Track your net worth monthly. What gets measured gets managed. Get my free net worth tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.